Alright guys, welcome back here again to my channel. Let's talk about something today. I have some simple tips, like how do we fix the wall, or how do we mod it, and to not to have a lot of sanding, right? So this is my process, like how I do it. So we're just gonna use this one as an example. As you can see right now, right? So it's like really rough. I just applied one coat only on this one right now. All right, so this is what I do. I don't really sand it out. I usually sand it by the time I'm done. Okay, so this is my tips. Right now we're going to be using a quick set. This one here, the first coat is a quick set. So I'm using the 45 mil. Use this one. Okay, so we have one coat there already. Now we're going to do a second coat. Alright guys, so it's like what I was saying again. This is our second coat, and I'm still using the 45 quick set. Alright. So usually for this type, smoothing the wall, you need at least like three to four coats. Alright, so that's our second coat, it's done. I don't know if you can really see. Yeah. And then we're just gonna wait for another half an hour, 45 minutes, and then we can go over. Alright guys, so it's already an hour past. So now the next step that we're going to be doing is to check the wall. Right now you can see all the imperfections, right? Like this one here. You can see that this one was the joint, right? You can see everything. So like that one. Now what I usually do, I don't really sand it down. You can't sand it down anyhow because it's not fully cured, right? So I'm gonna use this knife like this, so putty knife, and I'll just go like this. Right. See that one there? It's hard to see. Right there. Right. That one there too. Okay. See that one there? Just your knife. Right. That one there. But once it's fully cured, it's hard to do it this way. Right, so and now we can do the third coat. Alright guys, so before we mud it, so remember last time the second coat, how did we apply the mud? We went vertical, right, this way. Now this time I'm going did I say vertical? No, that's horizontal. Now we're going vertical, like up and down. The reason why I said that, because it depends on the condition of the wall, right? So you can see the imperfection of the wall. It's kind of like up and down like this, right? So just like this, guys, I don't know if you can see, right? Like that one there. I don't know, it's hard to see. Probably you can see from here, yeah, like that. Because if you go this way, then that's going to be remain the same. So we have to go this way, right? All right, let's do it. I'm still using the 45 one. Alright, so it's already another an hour. I don't know if you can see. So this is the outcome right now after the third coat. It's actually pretty smooth. It's hard to see. So this is in process again, as you can see right there. So I'm just gonna knife it out. And same thing. It's hard to see. It's right here. It's pretty much smooth. You can probably sand it out now, but for me, I don't sand it down. My light's not bright enough. It's pretty smooth already. You can just sand it down. But we're trying to make something that you don't have to. It's not what you don't have to sand it down, but less sanding. It's right there. So now this time I'm gonna be using the regular compound. Alright, so this one is the premixed drywall compound. Alright, so And this time I'll go the same way. I'll go up and down. Okay. Alright, it's done. Let's do a close-up. I don't know if you can see. It's pretty smooth. Okay, so that's how I do my mudding. Alright guys, thanks again for watching.